Today I will introduce you our platform and also I will give you some advices on using it. Let's go. Let's take a look at this part. This is the axis of the product. It's very strong and durable. It ensures stable and safety operation of the equipment. Now let me introduce this connector. Its position can be adjusted easily according to your needs, and when you position it well, you can tighten up the screw on the bottom. Now it's not moving, and then you can adjust the position of the angle. Let me show you. On the top vertical rod have 3/8 screw that will be capable with any gimbal you use. Let me install my own gimbal. Then, after installation of the gimbal, anything you need to do is install your own camera. After installing the camera, we need to balance it. To do this, we use dumbbell. We use 27 mm dumbbell. We put it on the cylinder and then we can easily adjust its position. When we find right position, right balance, all we need to do is tighten up the screwdriver on the bottom. And now it stands still. And now we have perfectly balanced equipment. Also we can use background board. You need to put it on the cylinder and then tie up the screw. You can use different materials in different colors for your background according to your needs. Also we have this cool holder for TV and monitors. You can use it for making action backgrounds. And now I will give you some advices on using the platform. For the best result, put your object in the very center of the table. When you adjust the camera, be sure it forwards straight on the object. You can use this rod as a guideline. Also, make sure you don't push the camera, but you push the bars. If you push the camera, it can make your picture shaky and unstable. When you film a model, please ask her stand in the middle. If she stands close to the edge, it can be dangerous and picture can be shaky. And finally, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.